What up, SEA? What up, SEA? What up, SEA? What up, SEA? This week, we got a baseball Batcast. Oh. Oh my. Home run. I'm William.
I'm Gabby.
Let's slide into some news.
February 17th is a half day for parent-teacher conferences.
We're going to be out of school that Friday and Monday. I hope you have a ball, Gabby.
No.
Ball.
Open house is February 22nd. Make sure to tell your friends.
The 21st through the 25th is Spiritual Emphasis Week. It's going to be bat-tastic. Doesn't make sense, but it's still funny, guys.
The Little Mermaid, the 24th through the 26th. Make sure you go watch and support the drama program.
It's going to be a wonderful time to see
it. Get your tickets before they shell out.
The 24th through the 28th, we got the SEA Eagle Classic. That's where we play baseball, guys. Come support our Eagles. Woo!
March 4th through 6th is D-Now weekend.
You don't want to be left out in the dugout. Don't strike out while signing up. Anyway, all right, guys. Baseball time. You know what that means. Hob Nobs with Bob. Let's get it.
Welcome back to Hob Nobs with Bob. Today I'm joined with Miss O'Connor. How's your day been going?
My day's great. How about yourself?
Oh, it's going great.
Good.
Okay. You played volleyball in high school, right?
I did.
What position did you play?
I was an outside hitter.
Alright.
Played that in college as well. They didn't want me in the back though. Would have been a mistake.
I played volleyball.
Did you do your best?
I did.
Did you? Good. Good. I had to think a second. He wasn't sure.
It's hard to hit the ball over the net, man.
It is hard.
They make it look so easy.
It's a whole lot harder than it looks, isn't it?
I was like, I went to serve and So you have models of the atoms here.
Absolutely.
What's your favorite subatomic particle?
I'm going to have to go with electrons. I mean, because they spin, they orbit around.
They fast.
They're not really with anybody. They're kind of their own deal. Yeah,
That's agreeable.
electrons.
I feel the same way. So, who is your favorite student?
Who was my favorite student?
Yes.
Can't really say, but I have one. What was your favorite part of my science class? Do you remember Rube Goldberg stuff?
Yeah, I
That
did
was
that.
pretty cool.
That was fun. I either like doing that or the science fair stuff.
Science fair is awesome. You know, we're doing science fair right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You know what else was really fun? Was the 3 Newton's Laws videos.
Oh yeah, like
Didn't
Luke's.
you shoot?
Like
Luke's was
Luke's.
fantastic.
Yeah, Luke's was
Do you
amazing.
remember that with his brother?
Yeah.
That was one of the best. We watched that on Luke
Oh.
because it was so good.
So for today's drink, I got you some water.
Oh, you're so thoughtful because you know I don't drink sugar.
Yeah,
Excellent, because sugar's the devil.
it is.
It is. Say that right there. Thank you for putting it in a beaker. It makes me feel at home. You know, it's really funny because I got you something too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I did. I got you a little special something right here.
Ooh. Ooh.
I'm just wondering if we should sign a waiver.
I think I'll be fine.
You think you'll be fine?
Yeah. It's not gonna hurt to try.
It won't hurt you. Well, at least not permanently. Bye-bye.
That tasted pretty good. I feel a little funny now, though.
Well, Bob, never thought you'd be so small.
What do you mean?
Hey, back to you, broadcast.
And now we have some special guests for the end of the broadcast.
Make
Sure
to
subscribe, like,
share
and
subscribe.
Baba Booey.